Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm out here on this little 10 acres that I'm going to be hunting. What I'm doing today is I'm going to be brush hogging some paths from this side of the property over to there. Just try to create something where these deer can travel on. You can see it's pretty much just open, but most of the deer are coming up in this corner right here, coming from over there out to here. And I'm just going to try to get some paths going from here to this side. So that's the plan. Let's see what happens. See what I can get done. Got the Kubota here. I'm gonna start brush hogging and see what I can get done. Alright guys, you can kind of see I cut it down this little valley here. There's a ridge on this side and then it comes back up. I wanted to cut it down here so it gives them more cover on these edges. They can't really see over the edges, so they're going to be traveling along here the most. So obviously they're going to travel this instead of just out there in the open. So that's why I'm cutting it down in here. I almost got this mowed up, so I'm going to finish it up real quick. You can kind of see where I got it mowed. You can see over here where I've got it, let it kind of grow up. So I'm trying to get that to grow up to create some structure for these deer. Try to get some more cover so they'll feel safer traveling across this field. But a couple cedars along this little ridge, and there's some grass I'm letting grow up. So that's my plan. Another thing you can do to create cover is cedars. A lot of people don't like them, but they are good for cover and structure. I planted these about probably 2 years ago, maybe. Just transplanted them. Probably when they're about a foot tall. That one did really good. Got a couple down there. That's another thing you can do. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's probably going to do it. I got a couple paths mowed, so thanks for watching. Hit that like button, I'd appreciate it. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching.